Hello everyone and welcome back to Sew Aldo DIY. On today's video, I'm actually going to do a sewing vlog. I'm going to make a holiday dress. So the other day I showed you the project that I am working on. So it's right there on the mannequin. So I draped the bodice on the mannequin and it turned out so nice. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to create the dress. So I did not drape the bottom because I already have a skirt pattern. So I just draped the bodice part and I'm just going to match it with the skirt pattern that I already have on hand. And I decided to do a circle skirt, although I can also create a much fitted skirt. But in my opinion, if I make a skirt like that, I won't be able to wear the dress just because I'm not comfortable with like fitted hip hugging dresses. I like it to be fitted on the top and flowy on the bottom. So I decided to go for a circle skirt bottom. Before we get started, you know the drill. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And without further ado, let's get to sewing. Okay guys, so now I am here at my sewing table slash cutting table. I am going to show you the pattern pieces that I created for this project. So I'm going to show you the front bodice. So the front bodice is going to have like a U neck. It's not super deep like that. And then this is the back. As you can see, the back will have a deep V. So actually this style was inspired by the dress that my sister sent to me to make the similar neckline, but that's all I'm gonna do. For the sleeves, I was thinking I'm going to do a billowy sleeves. I don't know if I want to do it long sleeves or short sleeves. I don't know yet. And this is the fabric that I am going to use. Well, I got this like I think last summer. Yes, and I really like the color and look, it looks so nice and refreshing. It's like a sage green. On the other side is very shiny and the other side is matted. So I don't know which side I want to use. Maybe I'll just use the shiny side of the fabric. Yeah, but I really like the color of this fabric because it just looks so relaxing. I love the color. Look, it looks really good against my skin. So that is a plus. So enough of the talking, let's just start cutting. Okay guys, I already cut out the bodice pieces for the shell and the lining. And you guys, I made a huge mistake because when I cut my fabric, look how much fabric I wasted. I was cutting the bodices. Instead of me cutting this way, I cut it on the lengthwise. And look, I wasted like 2 yards of fabrics, or maybe 1 yard of fabric. And my plan is to make a full circle skirt, and now it is impossible because I cut it on the wrong side. I'm frustrated. If it's not possible, I am just going to make an A-line skirt. So I didn't check when I was cutting my fabric. I'm like super excited to get started and I messed it up. It seems like my bubbles are like burst right now. Yes, so I don't know. I'm going to figure it out and I will update you. I am not going to be able to have a full length circle skirt, so I'm going to have to figure it out. So yeah, like originally I wanted to make a full circle skirt with pleats even, but I don't think I have enough fabric because I messed it up. So let's just work this out. I'm just going to put the fabric on the floor and yes. I am disorganized today for some reason because this project is actually like a last minute type of thing. So yeah, that's why I'm disorganized. don't know what to do, you guys. I messed up. Yes, I got it sorted out. I decided to go for circle skirt and let's get to working. So I'm just adding length to the skirt. I'm adding about 13 inches. Okay. Ooh, it feels good against my feet. I like slippery fabric. And I added 1 inch for the hemline. This bucket is like a booby trap because I have like my pins in there, and whenever I reach in the bucket it makes me so nervous that I'm going to prick myself, which already happened a few times. Okay. Ouch. See what I mean? Okay. One more bit and I'm going to start cutting. I wonder if you can still see me. Can you still see me? To do the same thing, but of course I'm going to fold the pattern in half, and then I will cut out 2 pieces, making sure to add 1 inch on the back seam for the zipper. So I will see you in a bit. Okay, you guys, I finished cutting the skirt panels and it is getting late. It is about like 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I need to prepare the dinner. So I will see you tomorrow.